Hey guys, if you are looking for an easy way to make money with affiliate marketing, I highly recommend that you use the OLSP system. Let's look at some of my results recently. So in total, I have earned $2,000 so far. And you know what? You will get access to everything on this page when you are my customers or you are the customers of my customers. You will get access to the free traffic strategies for Facebook. You will get the done for you posts and stories to promote the OLSP system. You also get a list of 90 Facebook groups to advertise your link. You will get unlimited support from me, from me and anyone who refer you as well. You will get this exact page, these bonuses, so you can send all of these bonuses to your customers. And there are so many amazing features in these offers are waiting for you to discover. So if you are ready, just grab your maker link and message me so I can add you to our group and send you all of these bonuses.